Our process of stroke care started more than 10 years ago when Apollo Hyderabad was probably the first hospital in the whole world to have a disease specific JCI accreditation. And it was done for stroke. Not that there are no doctors in other hospitals, but the JCI made us follow a process. And that process was running in seconds, not even in minutes. So the way patient reaches the hospital, and the plan is already decided when the patient is in an ambulance. We don't wait for the patient for the needle. The plan is decided because the time is essence, as Dr. Satish Chandra said. In ambulance itself, we know that the patient with this problem is coming. The MRI is ready. The blood reports are ready. CT scanner is ready. The second thing what we changed, that we stopped relying on intervention radiologist. Apollo Hyderabad created its own neurosurgeon trained in neuroradiology. So the work of neurointervention is being done by a neurosurgeon in our hospital. And how it has changed our life, that we, using a person who's clinically able to assess the patient, not only that, he's the same person who also does the surgery if the surgery is indicated. So there's no bias in the system. There's no time lag in the system. And by nature, neurosurgeons are used to trauma, and trauma is again time. So the whole system is very geared for very, very fast action. It really is in minutes that the patient is assessed. In minutes, the patient is investigated. And most of the time, within 30 minutes, the reports are ready. And whatever procedure, whatever intervention is to be started is started. And that has changed our whole stroke management, a teamwork and the essence of, involving all the way from ambulance till the hospital. And the next golden step happened. People forget that after stroke, you have a deficit. So we established one of the best center for neuro rehabilitation. So there's actually from the time of ambulance to the time of discharge, you are taken care at every stage so that you can have the more fruitful recovery.